Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to write an application for urgent work. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. To the principal, next line school name, and in next line your school address. Next, subject. Request for 2-day leave for an urgent work. Next, let's start with the body of the application. Respected sir or madam, I want to gently bring to your notice that I am Rajat Sharma, student of class 4B of your school. I wanted to request you to grant me the leave of 2 days because I am going out with my family for an urgent work. So, therefore, I request you to please grant me leave for 2 days. I shall be obliged to you for approval. To the left hand side corner, write thanking you, yours sincerely, then your name, class, section, and your roll number.